In this video, Ben will be exploring the abandoned cement towers in Akron, New York. In the town of Akron in 1839, they discovered a stratum of hydraulic limestone on the bank of the locally named Murder Creek. This cement was considered to be superior quality due to its strength, and was used to build the Genesee Valley Canal and the dam on Tonawanda Creek. The cement mill was established in 1870, and they began to manufacture water-lime cement. The mill was able to produce 400 barrels of cement per day. This greatly increased the economy of the village of Akron. Today, all that is left are the towers with a room-like structure on top, a collection of elevated platforms and arches, a small bunker-like structure, and a massive glob of cement that resembles what can be best described as a giant beehive. Underneath the towers there is a flooded basement. The depth of the dark waters is unknown. The leftover structures are painted with graffiti and have been enveloped with thick underbrush that is difficult to move through. Despite it being in a rural town with houses, businesses, and a bike path surrounding it, it is extremely quiet. An excellent spot to visit for the urban explorer.